What's that? Chismoso ang bibi kaya. Wow! Wow! Oh, sabi na building blocks talaga siya eh. Open it. Ano siya? Buy one, take one. Ano ba buksan? Ito. Ito. Paano buksan? Si Kyokyo. Chismoso. Ano ba yung hirap buksan? Diba? Ilang pieces to? Walang nakalagay kung ilang pieces. Parang, ano to ka? Parehas to nung kay, yung kay Hans. Ganito kalaki yun, no?
Open this.
Yung binayaran kanina ni Robert yata, ito yun eh. 100 plus lang to eh. Wow! What are you going to do with that? Do you know how to play it? Huh? Do you know how to play it? How do you play it? How do you play it? How do you play it? Can you show Mama? Can you show how are you going to play it? Oh, it's like that. Ang chismosang Bibi Cairo. Uy, chismoso ang Bibi kaya. Nakikichismis ako.
What other one?
Oh, what color is this?
What other one?
Where's the other one? There's a lot.
What other one?
Sige na. You put them together. Uy, panay ang silip. Akala mo talaga, oh. Nakakapaglaro na siya.
Sarap makawak niyan.
No, baby. Baby Cairo cannot play with that yet. Sige na, you play na.
Not hawak.
Okay, yeah. He cannot hawak. He cannot hold it. He cannot touch it because there's chemical on those toys. That's not for baby yet.
Uy.
Okay na? What will you say to Mama? What will you say to Mama? Huh?
Bag.
No po, there's a bag. What will you say to Mama? Thank you po. What will you say to Mama? What will you say to Mama for giving you toys? I'm going to bring it. I'm going to bring it back. I'll give it back na lang to the store. What will you say to Mama?
Thank you.
What? What? Louder. I cannot hear.
Thank you.
Say it louder. I cannot hear you. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mommy.
Where's my kiss? Love you.
Happy birthday.